This is Amina. She lives in a village where water looks clean, cool, and refreshing. But inside the water is a hidden killer. What problems are we trying to solve with our product? Antoview is addressing the visibility gap in water safety, where clear water isn't often mistaken as clean water. Traditional testing is too slow. It takes over 24 hours to 48 hours, roughly 2 days, and it is too expensive, approximately $4 per sample. For any family living in a remote area, it is hence not feasible for them to acquire. And the lack of immediate diagnosis have led to a status quo that is reactive and deadly, contributing to over 2 million preventable deaths annually. What product are we offering? We are actually offering digital solution and also analog solution to ensure diagnosis never go offline. So, like I mentioned earlier, Antoview Digital is an AI-powered lensless diagnostic clip that turns any smartphone into a lab-grade testing station. It uses diffraction-based light technology to project the shadow of the macros into the screen, which the apps analyze and provide details, information, and solution. Antoview Analog is a overall under 5 box optic-based device designed for region without consistent smartphone access. Key market size metrics. Our company identified the global market of 1.2 billion people lacking safe drinking water. So our SAM, which is our serviceable addressable market, which is over 850 million, and the SUM, which is our serviceable obtainable market, is over 12 million. How does our product compares with the traditional macroscope in terms of speed and accuracy? According to our competitive comparison table, the speed of our product has provided a result in under 60 seconds, whereas your traditional lab microscope takes about 3 to 5 days due to latencies and human factors. What's our business model and the production of our unit of economics at scale? Antoview utilizes a hybrid model, moving from a hardware sales to a data as a service sales. So our revenue model, we charge NGOs for over $45 per unit and plan to implement monthly fees, access to a global pathogen heat map, and the cost of our cost of production for the 3 years should be around $4 and it will be reduced by injection mode. What makes us very exceptional, which is I'm Ekweme Miracle, a founder and a CEO. I'm also a full stack. I'm a full stack founder with a background in physics and LMs, which is machine learning operation. And I'll be handling the sales, the high level relationship with NGOs, health ministers, and partnerships. Due to I have a background in leadership. So my other partner, which is Anta James, will be my co-founder and my CTO. He will be the hardware hardener and with the expertise in mechatronics system, solar installation, and embedded system. He focused more on making the technology works in the toughest field condition and how we are going to use the funds. Our company is seeking for $1 million in seed funding to transition from proven concept to a national scale. The allocation is as follows: 40%, which will be on manufacturing and chain supply, then 25% on research, development, and AI training, 20% on feed operation and sales, and 10% will be on intellectual properties and regulatory.
Invest in Antoview and help us make the invisible visible to